السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the first part of our lesson series in spoken Arabic. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. In this lesson, we are going to learn the basic way to introduce ourselves in Arabic. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So what do you say upon meeting someone in Arabic? There are two ways for saying this. There is a formal way and informal way. We are going to start with the informal way of greeting someone upon meeting them in Arabic. Marhaban, ana Khalid. Marhaban, ana Khalid. Marhaban, hi. Ana Khalid, I am Khalid. Marhaban, hi. Ana Khalid, I am Khalid. Marhaban, hi. Then you mention your name. Ana Khalid, I am Khalid. Marhaban, hi. Ana Khalid, I am Khalid. Marhaban means hi. Ana means I am. Then you mention your name. Khalid. Marhaban, ana Khalid. Marhaban, ana Khalid. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then you say, سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. You can only say this when you are talking to a man or a male person. You say سررت بلقائك. The ka at the end indicates the gender of the person that you are talking to. So if you are talking to a female person, you change ka to ki. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So in case you are talking to a female person, you say the following. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. Remember to change ka to ki while talking to a female person, and use ka while talking to a male person or a man. سررت بلقائك is what you say while talking to a man. سررت بلقائك is what you say while talking to a woman. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now we learn how to introduce ourselves in a formal way. مرحبا, اسمي خالد. مرحبا, اسمي خالد. مرحبا, hi. اسمي خالد. My name is Khalid. مرحبا, hi. اسمي خالد. My name is Khalid. مرحبا, hi. اسمي خالد. My name is Khalid. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Marhaban means hi or hello. Ismi means my name. Then you mention your name. Marhaban, hi or hello. Ismi, my name is. Then you mention your name. Khalid. Marhaban, ismi Khalid. Marhaban, ismi Muhammad. My name is Muhammad. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then you say, تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. That means, تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. You say this while talking to a man or a male person. Remember to use ka while talking to a man. تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So while talking to a woman or a female person, you should say, تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. You change your ka to ki while talking to a female person. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the differences between the formal and informal way of introducing oneself in Arabic. مرحبا أنا خالد. مرحبا أنا خالد. مرحبا. Hi, أنا خالد. I am خالد. مرحبا. Hi, أنا خالد. I am خالد. In a formal way, you say, مرحبا اسمي خالد. مرحبا اسمي خالد. مرحبا. Hi, اسمي خالد. My name is Khalid. مرحبا. Hi, اسمي خالد. My name is Khalid. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand the difference between the formal way and informal way of introducing oneself in Arabic. MashaAllah. Now the differences between the following. In an informal way, you say, سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. However, in the formal way, you should say, تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. Remember that you are expected to say سررت بلقائك or تشرفت بمعرفتك while talking to a man or a male person. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. سررت بلقائك. Nice to meet you. In the formal way, you should say, تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. تشرفت بمعرفتك. تشرفت بمعرفتك. I am honored to meet you. Remember that you are to say سررت بلقائك or تشرفت بمعرفتك while talking to a woman or a female person. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Make sure to visit our online store to buy a copy of our ebooks, which comprises of a video clips and PDF file via the link below, right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.